All right, Kyle. So now this is the part of the show where we talk about the widget of the week, where we talk about something that saves us time, makes us more money, or just something we enjoy using. Why don't you kick it off this week with your widget of the week?
Yeah, this is something I've been using for, I think, 7+ years now. And even though I have a 3-person media team, I still use this service. And this is a service that really helped me dive into video from the very beginning. In the beginning, I was trying to shoot and edit and distribute and do everything every time I'd shoot a video. And I quickly realized that that's not the highest and best use of my time. And so I searched for a company that could help and execute on a lot of this. And I found a company called Vyral Marketing, Vyral. And they have a really cool service where they help you shoot 2 videos a month. And you just simply shoot it via your phone or via a webcam. And you send the video over to them, and then they dress it all up and do intros and outros and lower thirds and graphics and all these things to make it look very professional. Then they upload it to your blog. They put it on YouTube. They make sure that it's all optimized on all the different platforms, put it on your social media. And then most importantly, they email it out to your entire database 2 times a month, and then they give you some really detailed reporting on everybody who receives it, so you know who received it, who opened it, who played the video, who clicked the links. So it's a really good way to stay in touch with your database twice a month. There's a program that was out there at one point called the 33 Touch program. I think you got to touch people 33 times a month. It used to be 33 times a year. So this is 24 of your annual touches via these video emails that go out. So Vyral Marketing, I believe the website is getvyral, GETVYRAL.com. Love those guys.
And another thing that I really like about it is there are times where they say, hey, we've got emails that we can send out for you, all text emails. And where if Kyle received one of these all text emails, he'd glaze over. But if someone who wants to read and, is a high C, and they're reading their emails in the middle of work and they can't watch a video, it hits people differently in different markets.
It's a good pattern interrupt.
Yeah. So we love Vyral. Mine, I can't believe we haven't done this already. This has literally, I don't think we can run our business without this program.
Air. It's called air. We breathe it.
Yes.
That's how we function.
It's maybe more important than air. Maybe. It's super important. This will automate tasks to make sure that they get done every time correctly. You set it up one time, and it will automate basically your life. It automates.
It's like an employee for us.
No, it's not. It's like 9 employees for us. It's amazing what it does. It's called Zapier. If you're weird, you call it Zapier. And we started out.
If you want to argue, we'll fight you.
I don't care. We started out using it very simply. If this happens, then this happens. Now I think we have zaps that are 30 steps deep. If this happens, do this, 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 and this. And then if it doesn't go, it's gnarly what we can do. I just started using it today to update Facebook custom audiences. And so that's pretty cool as well. So Zapier, we have the premium or the paid plan. I don't know what it's called. But it's fantastic. And you can say with almost any website that you use, hey, if this happens, then use this, and it's fantastic.
I love that. Well, hopefully you guys got some value out of the show today. If you did, we'd really appreciate it. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you get notified of future episodes of the show. And if you're listening on one of the podcast platforms, if you can hook us up with a review on there, that really would mean the world to us. Want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of The Whissel Way. See you next week.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.